G'day guys. With our kitchen we were going to do it all ourselves and build it, but by the time I worked out how much it was going to cost and the time it was going to take, I thought, well, let's have a look around. So I've looked at IKEA and Bunnings, and Bunnings looks pretty reasonable, so I got online and went to the Kaboodle website so I could do a mock-up of the kitchen. So I'll just show you what I've done on Kaboodle, and then we'll go down to Bunnings and get the stuff that we need. So you just go to their website, which is kaboodle.com.au. Then you have to sign in. If you haven't signed up, you need to sign up, but if you have, you can just sign in. So once you've logged in, you can either create a new plan or you can use the one that you've already done. Now I've just used the one I've done. You'll need the measurements for the width of your kitchen, the depth and the height. I've just put in the windows here because I wasn't worried about that at all. I just wanted to get the look of what it'd be with the cabinets in their places. So this is what it basically looked like. I haven't put any kick rails in or any bench top, as we're going to make them both ourselves. So I haven't put them in here. We're going to have a pantry here, 3 drawers here, and then just a normal cabinet bench here, which will have all the plumbing sort of stuff in and all our cleaning detergents and stuff like that. We're also going to have overhead cabinets, but they're not on here at the moment. We're just worrying about the kitchen. So Kaboodle is pretty easy to use. This program's pretty easy to use, so you can just go on there. It doesn't cost you anything. It also gives you your itemized price list, so you can take it to Bunnings and they have everything that you need there to get what you need. So Carolyn and I went to Bunnings last night and had a look at what we were going to go. The doors that we wanted to get weren't in stock, and there was you have to order them, and it could be anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. So we're just going to go the plain doors, which they've got in stock. So I'm going down to Bunnings now to get them. G'day guys, we're just at Bunnings now. We've decided to go for a Kaboodle kitchen. I'm there now, and this is what I've got so far. We've just got to check on some other stuff, so we're doing that now. Alright, so we've just got all the stuff, and I'd like to thank Jay from Bunnings. She was really helpful. She helped me with all the stuff that I need to get, and she could answer all the questions that I needed. So once again, thank you, Jay from Bunnings. She was excellent in the kitchen department at Vicky Point. Alright, let's show you everything I've got. So we've got 3 base cabinets, doors, drawers, everything we need, and our drawer runners and our hinges. Alright guys, we're back from Bunnings and we've got everything we need. We've got our 3 drawer cabinet, which has got the drawers in it as well, our 800 base cabinet and our 400 base cabinet. We've got all the doors, the end panels, and also the drawer faces as well. So that's all there. So that's what I've got to start to build, which I'm going to start to do now. Alright, just unpacking the first box. Looks like the end part. Got the instructions by the looks of it. So that's there. And all. Now, one thing people are going to say, I would assume, is I've got the melamine and moisture gets in it and it's going to expand. Yes, that's true, but these are made for kitchens, so kitchens do have moisture. We will have 2 max fans, so we'll be able to keep the temperature without the humidity In there we'll have an air conditioner, so we should be fine. Doesn't matter what sort of wood you use, you can get issues anyway. So, and for the price, this was much better option for us, so that's what we're going. Alright, so that'll be the last panel. Yep. Alright, so all the screws and other parts I need, and these will be the base cabinet feet, which I'm going to put on, but we won't need when we go and make our own, or kickboards, because within the kickboards we're going to have drawers. As within any sort of smaller confined space, you've got to use every available bit of space for storage. So under the benches is a great spot to have some drawers, so we can put some stuff, whether it be maybe all our water bottles that we use, our sparkling mineral water that we have, we put them under there, any cans of drink that we have. Okay guys, this is the first cabinet done. This is the 400, 600, 400, 450. No, this is a 450, what am I talking about? So it's all done. Easy as to put together. Took me about, I don't know, 10 minutes or like 15 minutes at the most. And that was just making sure I was filming and stuff. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is follow the instructions. You probably don't even need the instructions with this one. It's so easy. So that's one done. We'll move on to the next one. I wasn't going to put the feet on, but I'm going to put them on for the time being till I've made the kickboards. They're pretty easy. They've all got pre-drilled holes. Just fits over and you drill them in. And then these sections just place in. So it's pretty straightforward. Anybody could do this at all. Alright guys, all the drawers are put together and the carcasses. I'm going to put the drawer runners on. With this it's pretty straightforward. They've got pre-drilled holes for the sliders. The sliders come with the kitchen, so here they are. They're pushed to open. So I'm going to put them on now. So the sliders come with the instructions, the sliders and the screws that you need. Alright guys, these are a little bit fiddly, but I've got them on. This part of the slider with the lip there, it goes to the front on the drawer itself, and you use that hole. I made another hole there, use this hole here. Actually I made another one there and use this one here. And on the cabinet itself you've got to use the back hole there, then another hole there, and then I added the extra one in the middle and the back to give it a bit more strength. So that's the bottom one done.